வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 ஜியோகிரஃபி லெசன் 2 குளோப். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஃபில்லிங் த blanks. The lines of latitude which is also known as equator. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on the earth from the west to east are called parallels of latitude. The 90-degree lines of latitude on the earth are called North Pole and South Pole. The prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. The world is divided into time zones, 24 time zone. Next one, choose the correct answer. The shape of the earth is geode. The North Pole is option A, 90-degree north latitude is the correct answer. The area found between 0 degree and 180-degree east lines of longitude is called option D, Eastern Hemisphere is the correct answer. The 23 1.5 option B, Tropic of Cancer is the correct answer. 180-degree line of longitude is option B, International Date Line is the correct answer. The sun is found overhead the Greenwich meridian at option B, 12 noon is the correct answer. A day has dash. Option C, 1440 minutes is the correct answer. Which of the following lines of longitude is considered as the Indian Standard Time? 82.5 degree east. Option A is the correct answer. The total number of lines of latitude are option C, 181 is the correct answer. The total number of lines of longitude are option C, 360 is the correct answer. Next one, find one the odd one. First question, International Date Time is the correct answer. Second one, Prime Meridian is the correct answer. Third one, Time Zone. Fourth one, International Date Line. And fifth one, 40-degree west is the correct answer. Match the following. First one, 0-degree line of latitude equator, 0-degree line of longitude Greenwich, 180-degree line of longitude International Date Time, 90-degree line of latitude pole. Examine the following statement. First one, the earth is spherical in shape. The shape of the earth is called geode. The earth is flat. The option C, 1 and 2 are correct is the correct answer. Next one, examine the following statement. Statement 1, the lines of latitude on earth are used to find the location of the place and define the heat zones on earth. Statement 2, the lines of longitude on earth are used to find the location of the place and to calculate time. In the option C, both the statements are correct is the correct answer. Next one, name the following. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on earth. Latitudes. The imaginary lines drawn vertically on earth. Longitudes. The three-dimensional model of the earth. Answer, the globe. India is located in this hemisphere based on lines of longitude. Answer, Eastern Hemisphere. The network of lines of longitude and latitude, earth grid is the answer. Next one, answer the following. What is the geode? The earth cannot be compared with any other geometrical shape as it has a very unique shape. Hence, its shape is called a geode, earth shaped. Second question, what is local time? When the sun is overhead on the particular line of longitude, it is 12 noon at all the places located on that line of longitude. This is called local time. How many times would the sun passes overhead line of longitude? The sun is overhead at the line of longitude only once a day. What are the lines of latitude and longitude? There are imaginary lines which are drawn on the globe horizontally and vertically to find a location and calculate distance and time. These imaginary lines are called lines of latitudes and longitudes. Name the four hemispheres of the earth. Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. give reasons. All nations of the world agree to have the Greenwich meridian as the international standard meridian. This line of longitude is called the prime meridian, and it is also known as the Greenwich meridian because it passes through Greenwich. Second one, the regions of Earth between the north and the south lines of latitude 63 and of degree and poles 90 degree is called frigid zone. From the Arctic Circle 66 and of degree north to the North Pole 90 degree north, and from the Antarctic Circle 66 and of south to the South Pole 90 degrees south, the sun rays full further inclined throughout the year. The temperature is very low, hence this region is known as frigid zone. The international date line runs zigzag. The international date line is not straight. If the line is drawn straight, two places in the same country world have different dates. So the international date line is found zigzag in certain places to avoid confusion. Next one, answer the in detail. Since the earth is huge and we live on the very area, we are not able to see the earth as a whole. But when we travel to space, we can see the earth as a whole. So in order to see the shape of the earth as a whole and to know its unique features, a three-dimensional model of the earth was created in a specific scale in the name of globe. Next one, how are the hemispheres divided on the basis of lines of latitude and longitude? Explain with diagrams. The area of the earth founded between the equator and the North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere. The area of the earth from the equator and the South Pole is called Southern Hemisphere. The part of the earth between the 0 degree line of the longitude and 180 degree east line of the longitude is Eastern Hemisphere, and the next one is Western Hemisphere. What are the significant lines of latitude? Explain the zones found between them. Significant lines of latitude are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle, North Pole, South Pole. Next one in the question kana diagram. Next one, torrid zone. The region from the equator towards the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone. Temperate zone from the Tropic of Cancer to the Arctic Circle and from the Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle, the sun's rays fall slantly. Moderate temperature prevails in this region, hence this region is called temperate zone. Frigid zone from the Arctic Circle to the North Pole and from the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole, the sun's rays fall further inclined throughout the year. Hence, this region is called frigid zone. Next one, explain the Indian Standard Time. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degrees 7 east, 97 degree 25 east. As many as 29 lines of longitude passes through India. Having 29 standard time is not logical. Hence, 82 and of degree east line of longitude is observed as the prime meridian to calculate the Indian Standard Time. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன் சீக்கிரமாக. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.